Okay, question number 4. Katie is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week, she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of the day can be estimated with the equation P equals 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? Okay, to deal with this question, right, you need to have some basic knowledge of linear equation. And I think you guys should know that the slope-intercept form of a linear equation would be y equals mx plus b, where the m is the slope and the b would be the y-intercept. Okay, and so when you try to make a comparison for this equation that says P equals to 108 minus 23D, right? And you can rewrite it by switching the order of the variable and the constant by writing this way. Okay, then you can see that, right, the 108 would be the y-intercept and the negative 23 would be just the slope of the line, the linear equation. Okay, so when you try to draw a y-intercept form, right, a line of y-intercept form, okay, you can see that the slope is negative. That means it's going downhill. It's going downhill from left to right. It's going downhill, and that value would be the y-intercept, which is 108. All right, and the x-axis will represent the days, and the y-axis will represent the p-value. Okay, so you can see that, right, when she start doing her work, right, on the line 0 means that the day that she start doing her work. For each day that goes like this increase, for each increased day she will have the number of phones repair more and more. In other words, the number of 108 will reduce. And so when you take a look at this value, right, it says that what is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? All right, the meaning is this is what she starts with. This is the number of phones that she starts with for repairing. Okay, so you can just, for the multiple choice here, you can just try to look for the one that says the phone that she starts with. And you can see that the answer will be B. Katie starts each week with 108 phones to fix. All right, this is a starting point. All right, and when it goes, and when days pass by, she will repair more and more, and which is why the line is going down, the slope is going down. Okay, so the answer is B.